Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. So it's like 8:50 in the morning. I'm actually in a place called Inara. It's a market in the city where you can come to get all your fruits. I'm going to show you a little of that. But the reason why I'm here today, family, is that my brother from Jamaica is the brother to Sasha. Sasha that sing I'm Still in Love. I'm still in love with you, girl. I just see dirty love. So I don't know if you guys know that song, but that's Sasha brother. You know what I mean? He's actually in Kenya, living in Kenya right now. You have a Jamaican restaurant. I'll maybe get a chance to show you that. Also, you know what I mean? He's in the music industry, so he's shooting a video today. And I think it's called Coconut Water. I'll make you know more about it. Continue watching this vlog. I think the title of the video is Coconut Water. And you know what I mean? And him asked me to find a jelly man on the corner so he can do the video shoot. So I tell him to come to Inara market. And you know what I mean? And we can match it up. So me there wait upon him now for the photo shoot. To see what I go on. But me there in Inara and we see a lot of development and building a come up family. I want to check out so we can find maybe a bed seat or a 1-bedroom to set up. So when you guys come, you can stay in the city to see what it's like. So I'm going to get out the car now and I'm going to show you guys around and make you guys see what Inara market look like. And if you need to get all of your fruits and vegetables, when I used to come, when I first came to Kenya, I actually stay in an apartment just around the corner there. And that's where I used to be coming. Here is where I used to be coming to get my fruits and stuff. So, you know what I mean? I just want to share you guys. This is the market. And I have some nice banana here. Might have to get some to carry home. You guys have mangoes and stuff. Hello, good morning. Morning. I have some nice banana here. I like a, where you sell the bunch?
This is
nice.
250.
250.
Yeah,
this one.
The whole of it, yeah.
Okay, 250. Let me walk and come. I'll come and buy. You have mangoes and stuff. Mangoes nice?
Yeah, they are nice.
How much for your papaya?
Papaya 150 per kilo.
150 per kilo?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll come back. Let me just walk and come. I want to get some mangoes too.
Alright.
Yeah, let me walk and come.
Even oranges, I have the pixies.
Pixies, okay.
Yeah.
You know if any apartment around here for rent, like bed sitter? Studio?
No, they're no studios.
There are no studios. Alright.
They're just
Resident,
residential.
okay. Alright, family, so this is a building right here. I'm just gonna walk down on the other side. I see a building down there coming up. So I'm gonna check it out and see what is happening. But this is the market, family. I'm just showing you that. And going down, you will have people selling like matumba stuff, like used. In Jamaica, we'll say old brock, pupina. So, you know what I mean? That's how it is here. And that's how it is, family. But, you know, as you know, Jam Tours, you know what I mean? We don't want the West dump them all broke in Africa. You know what I mean? But I saw the thing set for now. So we are walk around and we are show you. I saw the thing set to Africa. So we have to come back and change that. And make sure say everything. Morning, my brother. Morning. Yeah, so the thing set, guys. In Gara market, find all of the fresh fruits. Morning. Big up. So we're there, family, and this is like the art of Nairobi. You know what I mean? So I see an apartment here. I want to check it out and see if we can find nothing. This is it. I don't know. This is it right here. Just a come up. So we see a brother here, so I'm going to ask him how I go on. If morning, brother. Morning. Is there any place here for rent? Okay, alright. I just check. They must say no. So let's go. So what am I going to do, family? I'm going to go up top and wait on my brother to come and see. While I check around a few places to see if I can find somewhere. But let's go, family. This is what it looks like, family. As you can see, actually in Inara. I'm waiting for my Jamaican brother to forward. So we can start the video shoot. One Love Africa should have been here, but him not here because I mean, maybe him not wake yet, so I'll try to link him up, but I never get to him because I never want late. I actually say, yo, let me come and you know what I mean, and be early. I mean, I want to make a man thing stall. I don't want a man make my thing stall either. So, I don't want a man make my thing stall. So, let's go, family. We're in Kenya, Nairobi, and we are trying to get it right and make it right. So, you know, let's go. I'm gonna go up to the jelly man up top there to see what is happening. If he's there. Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah. So, yeah, so we have nice fruits in the market. As you can see, this is like a city view house. It's like an apartment right in the city. So, city view house. So, I think the jelly man always up on the corner here, so I'm gonna go check him and see what he might deal with. But we're there in Kenya. There's a new apartment over there, so apartment over there, so you know, family, let's go. All of these people are small business owners, and that's what we like to see. That morning, Mambo. So it's an early morning, family. People not come out yet, but this never there, so you see it's a bill up. You know what I mean? It's never there, so it's a nice coconut. Need to grab something. I know the jelly man come out yet. I'm always the writer, so indeed, man, indeed. This is at the building, family. This building. Come on. Tear down this. Yeah, family, so Kenya open for business. Just you have to forward and know what go on. So this is Jam Tours Africa, family. I'm here and I'm waiting for my brother. The jelly man stall there right there, so we just wait to see what go on. Yeah, family, so as I said to you guys before, I was about to meet my Jamaican brother. You know what I mean, is that entertainer, reggae artist in Kenya. And you know, reggae music is big over here, so, and you know, people them love it. So we're there at the Jelly Man stall, and we are going to actually shoot the video that called Coconut Water. That's it, that's the title. Yep. So this is my brother here, so.
Peace and blessing, dying thief, you know what I mean? I need my coconut water. Blessings.
Yes, family. So we're there with the brother, and him same journey like me, he land in Ghana first. And when he come to Kenya and realize, yo, yes, the thing set.
Yeah,
so, you know what I mean? You know, to each his own. You know, your preference are your preference, my preference are my preference. What you like, what I like. So, we not knock nobody. It's just what you like and what your preference. So, we're there, and we're going to match up the video for this, you know, coconut water video. And, you know what I mean? Let's go. Yeah, people, so I'm there with a big choreographer in Kenya. She danced to dancehall music. So you know, guys, we're trying to put on a big dancehall 90s events and stuff. So, you know what I mean, having these people around us will make the party nice. So you guys can come out and actually learn some Jamaican, you know what I mean, dance move. So, you know, introduce yourself.
Welcome, people, this is Quincy Icon from Nairobi, Kenya. Dancer, dancehall choreographer, and content creator.
All right, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Give me like a long time dancehall move that you can do.
Bogle.
Good. Bogle. All right, cool. so dance like swing away. roll the boat and those things. You know those things?
Yeah, all of that.
All of that. Yeah, family. So we are trying to cook up a big event where we can bring back the 90s dance so people can learn the moves and stuff. And there's, Jamaica has so much dance move, and like every year we have new ones coming up and stuff. So, you know what I mean? I know Kenya, you guys like to maybe old school dancehall music. So, you know what I mean? So it's a pleasure to have you. And people can go and check your dance move out on your channel. What's your channel?
Quincy Icon everywhere.
Yeah,
Quincy
yeah.
Icon.
All right, family. So I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check out our dance move. But I'm impressed to see someone here that know all of the, you know what I mean, the moves them and stuff. I'm impressed because, you know what I mean, I love dancing. Dancing is my thing. And even in Jamaica, you know, we have like dancing competition and stuff.
You've gone to a dancing competition?
Yeah, I like it. But I can't really dance, but I know the dance, you know, I follow up the culture and stuff. You know, we are Jamaicans.
Yeah.
So all of the dance move like Pelpa, all of those long time dance, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man, but I really, so where can people come to see your dance?
I have dance classes.
Oh, you have dance classes?
Yeah, so
Wow.
you check my Instagram, there's information there.
Okay. Let me check out the Instagram. Because I have a lot of people coming in from the diaspora and stuff.
Alright.
And most of the time they don't want to learn some dancing class. So I feel like this is something maybe I can add to my service. So people can come and check out the, you know, learn some Jamaica dance moves and stuff. You know what I mean? Because we're gonna bring the party in Kenya. The 90s dancehall party. We're gonna bring it and we want you to actually you know what I mean, show up and pull up at this party. Have you tried Jamaican food yet?
Drop chicken, rice and peas.
So, you know Jamrock restaurant, Westland Brookside?
That's where I've actually ate Jamaican food.
Okay. So we're having a Sunday brunch. Me and Chef Ricardo, we put on the Sunday brunch. So this Sunday we have like a platter. You get a taste of all the Jamaican food. So if you want to pull up, you can pull up. And I mean, and this Sunday, tomorrow, if you can pull up with a few friends, and we can maybe, cause we have like karaoke and a Friday and stuff. Yeah, man, but you can pull up and I want you to like showcase some Jamaican move. Like, can you give me something now?
No.
Like,
Oh, we're going to the shoot. We're going to the shoot. We'll see. We're shooting together.
Shooting. All right. So we'll see our talent family. But I'm excited to see somebody here that know how to move the Jamaican moves. You know what I mean? And you know Jamaica have so many dance moves. You know what I mean? You just name them in the comment box. All right, family. Let's go. Yeah, family. So you know what I mean? We actually changed the location. We never really liked that location because there's no people and stuff. So we're at another location now. There are a lot of people and you know what I mean, it's active. So this one I'm more active as I can see. So we're gonna see if we can actually match it up. Brother direct how him want the thing to go. And how him say the thing to go, you know what I mean? Yeah. So let's do this.
Just I do the purchasing part. And
Okay.
The coconut and that. Just so I can see. No music.
No music. Okay. All right. Cool. Yeah, family. So we're on the shoot, and you know what I mean.
Hold on, man.
Cameraman there, and thing.
Catch him doing his thing. You know what I mean? Just get him doing his own thing. And then, you know what I mean? Catch me coming up.
Yeah, family. Photo shoot for coconut water. Photo shoot for coconut water for wash off we heart. Photo shoot. Oh, you reach? Blood class slogan, you're there. The big DJ and chef there. Yeah. Yeah, man. Check.
Ricardo, Wagwan. Blessed, come in. Finally, good to see you. Finally, Wagwan. Good?
Hey, good man.
Blessed.
Good man. How's everything? Surprised to see your friend Money Counter.
Yeah, family. So the thing I go on, and we there upon the shoot. And we now loot. We are there, Africa speak the truth. To the ghetto youths. Yeah, family. So we there. One love to the hip hop street. So this are the jelly man. In Jamaica we say jelly man and Kenny. Kenny over there, so big up Kenny. Jelly man there, so yeah. So let's do this.
You understand?
So like it's going to be a transition and all
Yeah. So the cave. So I'm looking in it, then, you know what I mean? So you probably want to get a little bit, you know what I mean?
Yeah, family, so we're back at Inara market where we're going to do the photo shoot, the dance moves and stuff. So we're there with the team, out with the team, and that's the city house view. And you know, we're just to find the right spot to match it up and to shoot it up, family. So we're there in Inara market where you can find all the fresh fruits and food, kibanda. I cook them chapati with them tea, beans and stuff. You know what I mean? So let's go, family. Let's go. There. The bad dancer Quincy there. Yeah. You're gonna see some Jamaican moves in Kenya right now. Some Jamaican moves. I want Love Africa there. Go and subscribe, like and share his video. I have a new building that come up here, so Ricardo. Could I get a few apartments over here, so would that be good? You know what I say? That build up.
Oh, yo, the place.
Yeah.
Kenya well developed, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Developed, we look on Kenya.
Yeah, dogs.
See over the summit.
Chapati.
Oh, so I make chapati, that's what I mean. Not roti, chapati.
Chapati.
Similar to roti, but not the same.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So, you know what I mean? My brother link up Jam Tours and say, want Jam Tours to come. And
Check out my boy on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my boy channel.
Yeah, and the new
Video.
song come out named Coconut Water. Make sure you check it out, family.
Dying Thief. YouTube, Dying Thief.
Lion
Nine
Thief.
Thief.
Dying Thief, dying.
Dying
Dying
Thief.
Thief.
You hear that? He's a dying thief. So, so make sure you check him out.
Yeah, family. So we're there, and you know, as you know, guys, Jam Tours have all the connection you need. So if you're in entertainment, you know what I mean, you're in a real estate, anything, just link up with Jam Tours. You can take you around and show you around, so you can see the opportunity. You know what I mean? And you know, opportunity equals success, and that's what we preach, and that's what we teach. So we're there with my brother, and you say want to do a video shoot, link up Jam Tours. Where to find the best jelly man? Where to find the best market? You tell them to come here, so and see there. We're there in a real life. I shoot the music video family. So you can see say Jam Tours. I put it in jar work, and it must be done. We're there in Gara market, and a Saturday morning. It's how it look like, family. So let's go. The cameraman did it. We are work out the deal, or we're gonna shoot the video. Big choreographer there, dance moves in at the place.
Coconut water is right here. You want jelly water? Here. In that direction. First right. Up the hill. Down the hill. Burn it on corner one. That's one man like this.
Yeah.
Just go in the corner one day.
Alright.
Then you ask someone named Mr. Little. Shall I say around the corner?
Round the corner.
Second right.
Second right.
Down the corner. Coconut one. You good? Alright, the rest of it. We good.
Yeah. All right, family. So that's the second scene. Let's move to the dancing scene. I'm getting a link in a few. And the evening hours. So what you see out there, you're gonna move out or what? They want me to come and move you out? You want me to come and drop your things them at the place? Yeah. Yeah. So all right. So we link. No say nothing. Yeah. Yeah. Let me talk to you after about that kid. Because right now me and do some business. Ah, cool.
Yo, take the audio down.
Yeah, family. So we did the video shoot. So slogan. What you say you do? You're the man where you do.
Me the stallman.
Stallman, you sell.
I'm here to seller. So, if you work, you can buy from me, you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Inside.
I'm playing on my phone.
Yeah.
Are you ready? What you gonna do? Let's come in and off.
Let's start action when you're ready.
Let's just get this audio. I'm playing on the phone. And you're coming from off. You see it? You ready? Jump through one here. Jump through and go and put me dog. One look Africa, and then the man there with the place. Yeah, man. Support, man. Yeah, we still call about, man. The wild one, man. Where you want it? Coconut water. Yo, father. You never see, man.
Yeah, done. Walk one.
Come back round, so take the shot.
Yeah,
Ask
man.
Miss Little to go around the corner and shot a direct in the Artistry.
Ah,
Go around the
cool.
Artistry and go on the long road. Remember, you know, the long road. And when you come back round and stuff, there is some good
Yeah, so,
water.
but let me call it what you're checking there
No,
now.
man, you're not Rasta. Go so.
Yeah, man. Safe travel, man. Drug guidance and thing.
Ah,
cool.
With the coconut water. So I sleep on a long road. And you
All right,
come
cool.
back round. Fresh coconut
Yeah.
water, wash off the heart. You see it? Aye. Let me see.
Where's the coconut?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Coconut.
want the next one?
Let's say this all you have.
I'm going to keep it somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, coconut. This is one I'm having.
Yeah.
Come again. Wait. Oh. Yo. Come here, yeah. Stop. Ready? Action. Yo, one, man. Yo, Rasta, one. How is everything? How can I help you today? Some coconut. What kind of coconut here, man? This is the right thing. Watch out. It's kind of hard going, but it's
tell me
good.
where we can find some real coconut.
Yeah,
Don't
family.
tell me, just say that's all you have.
Photo shoot for coconut water. Inara market.
That's the one. See, I look at the coconut. You know, say this me have the one. Here one. I'm here, real coconut, the big one, the jellyfish. All right then. You go down the road. You gotta take the first right.
First right.
You go down the corner, up the hill.
Up
You say go up the hill, you go down the hill back. Then you go around the corner, ask Miss Little for the coconut, and she gonna tell you say go down the road and you find it.
And take the bend.
Alright. Yes, yes, sir. Good.
Yeah, family, that's a skit, choreographed skit for the music video. And you know what I mean? I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. Coconut water, check it out. Lag it on.
Whoa. Wait.
Yeah, slogan turn celebrity. Alright family, so we're there. The coconut water video shoot. And the place lively and active. Local them are get involved. I want to go on. TikTok, yeah, TikTok, yeah. TikTok, yeah. Yeah, family, so we're there. And second scene.
No money. No money, no Ready? I'm going to change. I change.
$10. Yeah, family, so we're at the throat. Continue watching the vlog, family. Jam Tours Africa there with our brother Niger coconut water video shoot. Just give you show you some the backgrounds. You know what I mean? Of how it is going. So continue watching the vlog. Let's go. Yeah, family, so this is the song, the coconut water song. Pull it up. Pull it up.
My coconut water. When you wake up with the coconut water, I mean your thirst for the coconut water. Beg you a drink of the coconut water. Coconut water. When you wake up with the coconut water, I mean your thirst for the coconut water. Beg you a drink of the coconut water.
Coconut water.
By the well, like under a spell. She told me about all the things I does. Said if I never want to thirst again, we have to become more than friends. Ready? We wonder what she do to me. Felt like she was coming from me. Then I went away singing, cell phone ringing. Call up and I just said when it's bell ringing. It's the only thing that I could do. Cause she was so beautiful.
With the coconut water.
Coconut water.
Drink of the coconut water. Coconut water. Coconut water. Drink of the coconut water. Coconut water. Big up, big up, big up. Yeah, man, big up. Jamaica. One love. Yeah.
So go over this side first.
Come on this side. Come on this. Coconut water.
Where you want to go?
The coconut water. The coconut water. Coconut water. Coconut water. The coconut water.
Come again. I didn't know that you want to play before.
Coconut water. All right, fam, it's a chapati. Fill up. Yeah.
Chapati sebi is right here. The big tree market. Already.
Coca, tani coca.